Okay, quick recording on how you're going to set the path on your Java. We hopefully you have the Java downloaded, but this is where you'll set the path. So we talked about this a little in class, but at the bottom you want to go to Windows Explorer or File Explorer, whatever you want to call it. So a couple of ways to get there. You just double click on the little folder, it's going to come up, and you're looking for the C drive. So on your computer it's going to be the C drive. Now you're going to need probably admin rights to do all this, so if your computer's really locked down, you're going to have to wait until your parents are there or someone can open it up. So we're going to go in to find out where we put Java when we installed it. So we double click on the C and double click on the program files, and if you have this program files x86, you'll double click on it, and now we're basically looking for Java. There it is. And then you're going to see the JDK, and that's the version. Mine's 8, and so 1.8, so that's probably what y'all have. You double click there, and then you're going to go into the bin, and inside the bin, all of these files here, we're going to right click and go to properties, and that's going to tell us where they are. So if we right click and we go to properties, we need to find out, basically it's the little chain up here at the top that tells us where everything is saved, but it's there, and that's where we need to look. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to copy this this location. So I'm going to highlight it and do Control C so I can copy that, and then I'm really finished with this right here, so I'm just going to say okay. I'm going to get out of it, and then I'm going to go and put that in to my it's called an advanced system setting under environment and variables. So I've got to get to my computer. So basically on the new Windows, it's called this PC. So I'm going to come down here in the search, and I'm going to start typing, and you'll see it pops up. Then I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go to properties. When I go to properties, I'm looking for this advanced system settings over here to the left. So when I click on advanced system settings, it'll come up, and I'm going to environmental variables. In environmental variables, we're basically going to make a new path. So I'm going to click on new, and then I'm going to call it the path. And I notice here something on mine messed this up today. So I'm going to delete that path. I'm going to click on new, click on path, and then I'm going to do Control V, and that's basically going to paste what was there, and I'll click OK. And then I'll click OK to get out. And OK. And then now one more steps, we're going to go to the command prompt, and you're going to have to realize how to get to your command prompt and what it is. So down at the bottom here, this is how we really test to be sure we can write programs. You're going to type CMD, and it's going to be a command prompt here. If you right click on that, run as administrator is fine. And then when we're right in here, we're going to type Java C and press enter. And if we get all this stuff here, this is going to be sure that we can now write programs. And if you type Java C in your command prompt and you don't get anything, then that basically means you cannot, your program's not set up to write any JavaScript. So anyway, that's it. And let me know if you have any questions.